Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty, bringing you honest insights and expert-level reviews. Today, we're talking about something a little more nail-focused, the ForPro Professional Collection Ultra Gold Buffing Block. Now, if you're someone who loves to give your nails a professional finish at home or in the salon, you've probably seen a few buffing blocks in your day. But is this one really worth your attention? Let's break it down and see how it performs. The ForPro Ultra Gold Buffing Block is designed to buff nails before applying polish, whether that's gel or regular nail lacquer. It measures 3.75 inches in length, 1 inch in width, and 1 inch in height. What really stands out here is the four-sided design, with a 240 grit that promises to smooth the nail surface without causing any damage or scratching. If you're in search of a product that delivers a hygienic and gentle buffing experience, this one might just be what you're looking for. Now let's talk about how it performs in real life. I've been using this buffing block on both my own nails and my husband's, who, by the way, isn't into beauty products as much as I am, but hey, a manicurist's job is never done. The texture of the foam is surprisingly flexible, which gives you a bit of control as you buff, making it easy to move across the nail without harsh pressure. Whether I used it for a quick at-home mani or for prepping nails before applying gel polish, it did the job effectively without causing any irritation. When I first used it, I really liked how smooth it made my nails feel, almost like I had just visited the salon. The grit was fine, but not too abrasive, just the right amount to remove ridges and ensure that the surface was ready for a flawless coat of polish. It didn't scratch or leave any noticeable marks, which is a huge plus in my book. I also noticed that it doesn't create a lot of dust, which is something I found to be a common issue with some buffers. Let's talk about some of the pros. First, the four-sided design is incredibly versatile. Whether you're looking to buff, smooth, or even polish, each side of the block serves a different function, making it a one-stop shop for nail care. The foam is sturdy enough to last for multiple uses without wearing down quickly, and it provides a comfortable grip during use. Plus, the 20-count pack is a great deal if you tend to go through buffers quickly or if you want to keep extras on hand for clients if you're a professional. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons to keep in mind. Although the grit is fine enough not to scratch, if you're someone who prefers an ultra-polished, mirror-like finish, you might find this buffing block a bit too gentle for that level of smoothness. The block also isn't the most ergonomic in design. It's just a simple rectangular shape, so it might not feel as comfortable in your hand after prolonged use. Now, let's talk about value for money. This buffing block comes in a 20-count pack, which makes it an excellent option for those who use buffers frequently. At its price point, I think it's a pretty good deal, especially for a product that performs well and lasts. Considering how long-lasting the buffer is before it begins to wear down, it seems like a solid investment for both at-home users and professionals. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, you could look at some other brands that offer multi-pack buffers, but you may not find a product that matches the same balance of flexibility, durability, and hygiene. Some cheaper alternatives might not have the four-sided design or the same quality of foam, which could result in a rougher or less effective buffing experience. In terms of build quality, I found the materials used in the buffing block to be solid. The foam didn't lose its shape quickly, and the block didn't disintegrate after a few uses, which I've seen happen with lower quality buffers. It's clear that ForPro has focused on durability, making sure this product can withstand frequent use without losing its effectiveness. Now let's talk customer support. I haven't had any personal experience with ForPro's customer service, but based on reviews and the brand's reputation, it seems like they're pretty reliable when it comes to addressing issues or concerns. Plus, the product comes well packaged, so there haven't been any complaints about damaged goods or missing items. In the end, I'd say this is a solid, no-nonsense buffing block that's especially suited to people who want a functional, hygienic tool for their nail care routine. Whether you're a beauty professional or just someone who loves a good DIY manicure, it's reliable, practical, and affordable. Does it completely revolutionize the buffing process? No, but it certainly does its job well. So if you're someone who values quality and practicality over gimmicks, I'd say this product is worth trying. You'll get long-lasting, consistent results every time. Before you go, make sure to like this video if it's been helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future reviews. Your support allows us to keep creating these honest, in-depth reviews for you. If you've tried the ForPro Professional Collection Ultra Gold Buffing Block, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.